He has gotten a Roush. What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are out at Dover shop and we have got a full house. We got Toby, if you remember the turbo orange Camaro, which I heard he made a lot faster, right? No, maybe.
A lot faster.
We got Todd out here, then we got Brian Dinkins out here. And of course Dover and this guy, excuse me, sir, what's your name? What's your name?
Stang Mode.
Foxcast Media, Caleb. And what we're going to do today, guys, they got the trans built and they got the Circle D converter in, so we're going to be putting that up into Lee's car today, which is eventually going to get a Whipple on it. And also is going to get that fuel system, and he just went live. And then we've got the exhaust going in it, 1 7/8 headers, back to Magnum Flow exhaust. So that's what we're getting into today, guys. Not sure how far we get. We will not be putting this in today because we got a few more lines to go in, but we're hoping to get the trans in and then maybe this in also. So we will see. So we're going to get started, guys. All right, guys, so we got the transmission in, got the cross member on, got the torque converter bolts in, got everything mounted up. and Dover had to go do something. He had a prior engagement, so we're kind of stopping here. We get starter in. We're kind of stopping here. Exhaust will be another day, or you might have to watch Foxcast for that. I don't know if I'll be out here for that. But anyway, we're gonna go out in the other building. I'm gonna show you something out there real quick though. All right, guys, the sun finally did come out, but it is late in the day, so not really a lot of time to enjoy it. They're calling for a little rain tomorrow. I'm hoping that it's not going to. I'm hoping that the sun will be out again tomorrow. We will see. But guys, I've got to clean this car up. It's nasty. One thing about this car is I drive it all the time. That's the reason when we're being really particular about the forced induction that I'm going with, because we got to make sure that I can continue to drive it anytime I want to without any issues. And also, guys, if you didn't catch the last video, yeah, got a little rubber back there, but we ate through half of the tire life on the brand new tires. Did a nice burnout to get for the intro. Also, we was having some fun at the dealership, and so I decided to go ahead and let loose in it. But guys, you can go catch that video. I'll put a card up right here. And also, if you didn't catch it, we got the windows tinted, and this is looking really good, guys. That line, I cannot speak highly enough of his work. Proline tint here in Jackson, Tennessee, but it looks like it's from the factory with a tint. But yes, really enjoying the car, guys, and we're gonna have a lot of fun with this car this year, so stay tuned to the channel. But we're going to go in here and we're going to check out what is in here. If you watch the Foxcast channel, you have already seen what I'm about to show you guys. But this is the F100. Now we got the cab off because it's at the body shop getting some work done on it. But this is the F100 I showed you. It had a Coyote in it. But since then, like I said, if you watch Foxcast, you've already seen this. But since then, he has gotten a Roush supercharger. Now this is the Roush Gen 2 like I had on my 17. Now if you remember my 17, we ended up with a 80 millimeter pulley. We ended up running a 689 at 104 in the 8th in a California special car, premium, fully loaded, full interior with a drag setup, catback exhaust, and a 93 octane tune with the 80 millimeter Roush pulley. So I think Dover is going to end up going with a 79 because he wants to run pump gas in this thing. He doesn't want to run E85 as of right now, so he wants to run pump gas. So right now I think he's going to go with a 79 to make sure everything's safe to run that way. But this thing should be pretty sick with this blower. It was pretty awesome with the Coyote in it, just the Coyote alone in the F100. But with a 2.3 Roush supercharger sitting on top of it, it's going to be pretty nasty. Now, this right here, he's got all this on the Roush bracket set up. On the Coyote swaps for the Fox bodies, you've got to go with a power by hour setup because all this will not fit. But in an F100 or a truck, you can leave the alternator down here where it goes from the factory, and then you can put, you can pretty much set it up like you would in a Mustang or an F-150 or something like that. So it's pretty nice that you can do that. As you can see, he's got the stock, looks like stock Mustang headers on it. If I think so, that's it. Let me look on this side. Yeah, those are the stock Mustang exhaust, I believe. But yeah, guys, it's coming along nice. Hopefully, sometime this spring or later on, this thing will be close to being done. I'm not sure the time frame yet. I haven't really discussed that with Dover, but either way, guys, when it gets done, it's going to be a nasty, nasty truck. I'm kind of jealous, guys. Kind of jealous. All right, guys. So that's pretty much what's going on out here today. We got the transmission in. Showed you the F100, and then of course, man, I really want to start working on this car. I really do, guys. Just got to get all the funds up and get everything together. I got some stuff coming that I think you guys will enjoy. We're kind of going to upgrade the base more toward the premium. That's all I'm going to say right now. But I'm gathering parts right now. But in about a month, we should have all the parts and be able to get you guys out a video on that. Some of the stuff was on back order. We should be able to get you a video on that. And then there is a set of what looks like performance pack wheels online. I messaged the guy, so maybe, just maybe, we'll be able to throw something on there just for right now to kind of get rid of those things. Like I said, I don't know what Ford was thinking. But anyway, I do love that color. Just need to clean it up. Hopefully tomorrow the sun will be out and I can actually get out and clean the car up. But we will see. All right, guys, that's going to do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't. And we will see you next time.